Hi, welcome to the Geeks Analytics page. My name is Rahul Parekh, and overall, I have 10 years of rich experience in data analytics, data engineering, and now Gen AI. So, today we will going to discuss a very important topic known as workflow automation. Now, by the end of this 15 minutes, you will definitely get value out of it. Now, what is workflow automation? So, for example, you have created one Excel file, and with that Excel file, you did some kind of formulations, right? What's your favorite formula? Let's say we look up, and then you created more columns out of it, right? And then you make the pivot, and then finally you publish that report, right? So this activity you did. Now you did this activity on one day, second day, and third day, and regularly for one particular month. So on each and every day you are giving time, your valuable time, by doing this particular activity again and again. Now, what if I say that you can automate this entire pipeline in a single go, right? This can be possible, right? So, automation, and for this particular pipeline, is nothing but it's a workflow automation. Now, why we have used the word workflow, that we will going to discuss in the upcoming slides. So, let's go with the introduction first. Let me clear the notes. Yeah. So, in this particular slide, I'll give you very key terms. So, workflow automation is the process of using technology to streamline, manage the routine task. As I told you, that whatever task you are doing on a routine basis, that thing you want to automate. So that what it would do is, which actually required your manual effort. So the routine task and the manual effort you give, that we want to minimize. Repetitive work, rule-based work with obviously any software. For example, I said Excel, right? Automatically based on the predefined logic. Now, whatever the logic you have created, we want to run that particular logic on every day or on every specific intervals automatically. So instead of having employees manually do that particular task, I want you to update those reports, automated workflow seamlessly in the background. So whatever task you do, that should happen by default in the background. So that is the workflow automation. Right now, what it helps, it allows organization to standardize the operations. Obviously, if one thing is being automated, then by default it is being standardized, and it actually reduces the risk of human error. This is the very key term of this particular slide, that workflow automation leads to the less human error, less or zero human error. Yes, the condition is that your workflow should be 100% accurate. So it redefines how the work gets done. Now, why actually workflow automation required? Now the question is why. That if, okay, Rahul, I understood what the workflow automation is, but actually why you are doing so, right? Because the number one point is it enhances the productivity, right? Number second is it improves the collaboration means it is not for the one person, right? If that particular workflow is being automated, then multiple team members of yours can use that particular workflow. Multiple team members can use that particular workflow. So that is why it improves the collaboration. It definitely saves cost. How it saves cost? Because it reduces manual effort. So that is why it definitely going to save cost. So these are the three things which I have noted down for you, that why actually the workflow automation matters. What are the few key components over here? Obviously, there are a few triggers that if that particular event or condition occur, then only that particular workflow should run. What are the actions that operations performed automatically once the criteria are met, right? Integration points, this you can leave for now for CRM and ERP purpose or communication tool. And what are the monitoring and reporting purpose? It also uses that it real time basis you can track the performance and identity issue. Now, before I move forward in the slide, I would like to share. Till now, you have a basic idea of what the workflow automation is. Now, I want to quickly show you how it look like, so that in the upcoming slide, you by default know that what I am talking about. So just have a look over this particular slide. Yeah. So this is a perfect example of how a workflow look like. Now, this particular workflow is of definitely of Alteryx I'm telling, wherein one file is taken, then data types are being selected, formulas are given, join is there, summarize is there, and browse is there. Don't worry, this is just an example. I'm trying to showcase you what the workflow automation looks like, right? This is another example of make.com, wherein you can tell that how the workflow automation works, that too on the automated level. And this is also an example of resume analyst, wherein one Google form was picked it up. Then you will use this Google form, upload that in workflow drive, right? And then that particular agent will help to analyze that particular resume, right? And with that resume you can route directly to either to the Google sheet or to the Slack, or if you want a knowledge assistant beside that resume, that also you can use. So this is how actually a workflow looks like. Now understood? Because this image will help you understand better in the upcoming slide. So this is very important slide for you to understand. If you want to know more, then you can go to make.com or you can go to alteryx.com. Both are doing the same. Now let's proceed. What are the benefits of the workflow automation? As I told you, it reduces what? It reduces manual effort, right? It delivers a transformative impact across entry level of an organization. Definitely, the impact is going to increases because the workflow which you created, that workflow is run on the automated fashion. Automated fashion, no human in the loop, right? Just for the upgradation of workflow, you need a human, but other than that, no worries, right? So that is automated, and if it is automated, you will get what? You will get maximum impact out of it, right? So by sharing the repetitive rule-based task to automated system, companies can redirect. This is important line: redirect their human talent towards strategic and creative initiatives that truly drive growth. For example, if I am doing one task, I automated that. My time got free. Now I can utilize that particular time to again build new workflows, to again do some strategic tasks, or to do some efficient tasks, right? Because why I can do? Because I have created and automated that particular task of mine. So which saved me 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or 1 hour of the day. Right? Now 5 hours in a week is saved. Now I can utilize those 5 hours in doing some useful activity for my tasks. Yes, everyone with me? So far, so good? Good. Now, what are some common areas to automate? Now, this is very key slides that how you can use it. The best is data analytics. In data analytics, you can use it. There are certain number of tools. One is known as Alteryx, other is known as Make. As I showed you in the previous slide, you can have a Google about it, that what the Alteryx is, what the Make is. This will give you a quick glance that how things are automated. But in other terms, you can also utilize in the market automation, finance, and human resource. How in human resource, you can automate the onboarding process. For finance, you can use for financial reporting, and for marketing automation, social media. Yes, I also use for my LinkedIn to automate my or to schedule my post to write it better. So I also use for my own LinkedIn page, right? So these are a few common areas to get things automated. Now, how actually the workflow automation works? So this is a quick pipeline I have created. In this particular pipeline, number one is process identification. This means that you first need to identify what process you want to automate. If you're not sure what to automate, then there's story is nothing to discuss about, right? You should aware that what process you want to automate. So identify that. Pinpoint repetitive and rule-based tasks which you do. Then you can use the workflow mapping, then map the workflow to that particular process, right? You need to visualize each step and define responsibilities. Then definitely you need to do a tool selection. Now what do I mean by tool selection? Either Alteryx you can use, or you can use Make, right? Or you can use a net n. So there are some of the automated tools which are already present in the market. Then obviously you will integrate, and finally you will do the testing and refinement. Now what do I mean by tool selection and integration? I'll again show you that particular slide. So for example, over here, I use the tool known as what? I use the tool known as the Google Forms, right? Then I use the tool known as Drive. So what I'm doing is, what I'm doing over here, I'm using these Google Forms and Google Drive, right? So this is what I want to say over here. This is what I want to say, that you have to integrate the tools for the seamless data flow, right? And finally, you will do the testing. This is the final step. So this is how a workflow automation can work. I understand that I'm not able to show you more examples considering we have less time for this video, but yeah, go to the website. We are about to start a live session on the workflow automation, so do connect. Yeah, this is just for the basic understanding. Now, there are certain tools and platforms I want to share. So there are already AI powered tools. Now, what are AI powered tools? These are known as NetN or Make, which I already showcased you. You can integrate any software with the workflow of yours, right? No code platforms. So this is again an example of Alteryx, right? Or maybe Snowflake is also a good no code platform. Snowflake is also good. Alteryx is also good, right? So these are the few tools and platforms you can use, and there are certain project management tools as well, wherein you can automate your task. For example, Hive. Hive is a good project management task, or Jira. Yeah. So these are the few tools for the project management as well. Now, okay, we discussed that what the workflow automation is, what the benefits are, what are the examples, what are the few challenges in the workflow automation. Now, obviously, the workflow automation need the complex integration, right? You need the knowledge first. If you are not aware how to create a workflow, then how come you can create one, right? So you need knowledge that is bit complex, but it is one time. Then initial cost, obviously, the as I told you that make Alteryx, N10, all these comes with cost. And employee resistance, because you need to be there, you need to learn the things, you need to apply your knowledge. So these are the certain challenges in the workflow automation. But overall, if I sum it up, then challenges are way less as compared to the benefits, right? So challenges is one time, but the benefit is long term. Yeah, this is it. This is I want to tell you about the workflow automation, and important thing is that it is no longer optional, ladies and gentlemen. It is very essential in the nowadays, right? If you are aware of the about the workflow automation, then definitely once you give interviews, once you teach, or whatever task you do, you will get benefit out of it, right? So this is not optional. This is essential nowadays. That too, why? For staying competitive in the fast changing world. So yeah, this if you want to get connected, this is the call number, this is the website, and this is the email. So if you have any feedback for this particular video, if you want to upgrade anything, please give a comment. Right? We will upgrade ourselves. Right? And if you want to ask for the new videos, if you want to know more, then also do let us know via this particular email slide. Right? I hope you get value out of this 15 minutes. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.